Okay, we left off with this process in order to simplify or add rational expressions or fractional expressions. So let's look at some examples involving that. All right, so this is example number 2. All right, we want to simplify the following. 25 over 42 plus 11 over 18 minus 2. Okay, to do that, we need to get a common denominator. The LCD, remember this is over 1, so we got to get an LCD between 42, 18, and really 1, but 1 doesn't really matter. So 42 and 18, okay? So, and just remember that 18 is 2 times 3 squared, and then 42 is 2 times 3 times 7. Okay, so the LCD would be 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. Okay, so that takes care of the LCD, and so 2 times 3 times 3 times 7, that's, what is that? 6 times 3 is 18 times 7, so that is 18 times 7 is 70, plus 8 times 7 is 56. 7 plus 56 is 126. Okay, so let's go from there. We're going to be over 126 plus something over 126 minus something over 126. Okay, well, we'll go piece by piece. 42 is 3 times, so I do 3 times 25 on top. So I do 3 times 25 because I did 3 times 42. So I did 3 times 3. All right, and then 18, 7 times 7, so this is 7 times 11 on top, and this is 2 times 126 over here because you did 126 times 126. Okay, simplifying each of those things, I get 75 over 126 plus 77 over 126 minus 252 over 126, and that gives me negative 100 over 126. Reduce it all the way, you get negative 50 over 63. That's how we do that one. All right, let's look at another example. All right, that's example 2, all the way out right there. Okay, let's look at example 3. Okay, 3 is the expression 1 over 6a squared minus 1 over 2ab plus 3 over 8b squared. I need to find the LCD of the denominators. Okay, so that's 2 times 3 times a squared. It's 2 times a times b, and that's 2 cubed times b squared. So the LCD, I've got 2 cubed, that's the 2 with the highest exponent. I've got a 3, I've got an a squared and a b squared. And so that gives me 24 a squared b squared is my LCD. All right, so let's rewrite our expression under those terms. Now remember, to do that, what I did is I took this piece here. Okay, I've got that piece. And for each of these situations, I multiplied it by something. Okay, and so let's do that. To get the 6a squared to it, I need to multiply that by 4b squared. Okay, the 2ab, I need to multiply by a 12ab. And this is all to get to this number right here. Okay, and then I do on the top. And then the 8b squared, to get the 24 to an 8, I need a 3 and an a squared. Okay, and I simplify each of those things. Alright, so that's 4b squared over 24a squared b squared minus 12ab over 24a squared b squared plus 9a squared over 24a squared b squared. And I put all that stuff together. And so I get one denominator, 24a squared b squared. On top, I get 4 minus 4b squared minus 12ab plus 9a squared. The top is factorable, so that's what I will do. I will factor the top. The top is a perfect square trinomial, so it looks like that, over 24a squared b squared. And at this point, nothing cancels, so we are done with that problem. Okay, we're going to do one more in the next set.